ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi ayiphelunga ngijaji ngifuna le mali ubona ngiphanda kaje ubona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi ayiphelunga ngijaji ngifuna le mali ubona ngiphanda kaje
ukuthi ngiwasha amadustbin afani ngilala ngina something endlini balala bahlile ngifanele ejardini intwana iphandile khona uvuke ekuseni agibele ibhasi khona uphande kasi ekhuleni avula ikhawashi kawusiphanda ngey'ndlela engafani mara ekugcineni sifuna le mali unganginyathi ungibona ngemidansana uzibonele isithipha ubhayizana ayisifuna lamachankura khona siphanda ngegolide nesiliva kubo stapura ayisifuna lamachankura phela imali ngeke uyikhe sihlahleni sama-apula
sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Okatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Seto Kafele ya Motiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Indona Temakhochi la Blomotote la Uchiya khona ipoti. I was born in Soweto but my son lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ntariana bafethu. Welcome to Ikasel Vogile bafethu, where we touch base on into zasekazi sensitive issues that have never been unpacked on TV or on radio, that are censored. China sibeka raw lesabanye abantu bangebazwisise. Today bafethu ngihamba nezinye izinto bafethu aziphila phansi kwamandla semhlabeni bafethu, ama-art and everything. Ngishaya young intro, but don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you stay tuned konke ama-episode wethu bafethu man.
Yizo kaze.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Sure.
Thank you bafethu.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Young intro bafethu, ngicela ngapha ngilethe ngapha. Bengicela abantu basekhaya people are currently watching ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani and khambani, ngikhuluma nobani and namhlanje kuseni before uza la uyi-one uboneni.
Okay, ngibonani.
Ngicela ngisomise i-voice ne?
Okay. Shapu Young. Pomakai viewers le kae. Ke Pakiso ne. DJ Pop Jingsung SA all the way from Soweto, Orlando East. Born bred and battered to Orlando East bafethu. Yeah. Ikile it was invitation le Ntariana ya. For the return to discuss Antoniana te basic tsa mo Soweto wa botsera afetang ya mara ke tsamaya le je. Yeah, all the way from Soweto and London big events. Yeah,
before we jump go Jeff, I was joking warning today.
Oh yeah,
as a nigga, as someone who's political minded, as someone who's observant, because to disturb or motivated.
Mostly motivation. Yeah, mostly motivation. Ki champile di ngostamo ka sintse di scale di amo and ki tabile ore hawa tlala as before or maybe utarurwatsa because of adingoli teding di tletse si ka uniform wa bontonyana tse. I was motivated to okay, hona le ba bang ba sangoleng, hona ba bang ba ngolang, but who clean like ha hona ngosta school. Okay, which there's order yabo. Yeah, order it was instilled, and then anyana re lefatsi le loka batho ba kena tseleng. Yeah.
Thank you, Jaka.
Sure.
So shout out to the young kids who are doing it well. Emakaya bafethu, make sure you go to school bafethu. School is very important. Don't be misled by amakhulumana sekasi. Isikolo siyabheda. School is important. Ibula thina sokutshela indlela ebizwa kwabaphambili. Sisibadala manje sifundile, sinekhaya siyasola. Ngisola ngabe ngamamela umama wami athi yena mntanami esikolweni. Namhlanje bona sisingena impilo esingazazi. So mkhosi wami
Ntari
izinto
nani jam spirit
injamba the first guest ongena ngemoto yakhe ku podcast
lalela ngihamba ngeenyawo ezisi
ungavuna ka yena
ngihamba ngeenyawo ezisi mawungathandi kwada
kanjani ngizisitshela explain
hayi 4 amavili 2 la nalezi ziyasebenza shayipiki na fosholo iharabu one way traffic non stop ngiyapressa ngilong la ngiyangithola angizeno Park Jingsung la DJ
bakuthi ngisuke say bayazi naselokishini LP events ke mina ke ngumuntu wamasotsha uyazi uNtara bosheng ngabona zonke out mina ngumuntu wamawuthi yena ngumsotsha vele from Orlando East nje iSoweto nje iKaSlam wherever I lay my head it's my home nala eparkini ngagidla iSoweto iKaSlam danko
Abazo. Ziyawa.
hey ndoda
Kusho khona une podcast ziyawa.
aziyaphisika buka amabhasi buka amawindo kuyakhali sound yeah
So mkhulu mangitshela wena uboneni Fandaka mfethu.
yebo mfethu ezinye izinto esizibonayo wena mfowethu it's that emalokishini wethu wena gazi ne what we are seeing is that sineyintwana ne lento uthi ngisuka ukuthi intwana seziyaya esigela ziyabhala zigcwala ikasi ne enye into emotivator intwana mawuzizwa mawuthi nje usendlini yezwa ziyandlula zikhuluma ngama issues abase ikasi yabo and then ne talent ukuthi man yazi mfethu ngiyathanda ukwenza into esokujiva ukuthi manje edladleni abakhona ukungifanda this and this and this and this because you can have school but skills balekile italent la uthi phima orange ipantsula eligibela indiza liphatha ithawula ayophusha icraft yakhe we've got talents abo Dr. Khumalo come from those schools abo Thabo Moki come from those schools abo Banda Libisi he was a bona student Orlando East bekafunda neOlidam he became a Kaizer Chiefs player isikela asibalekile but fanele netalent esingalikhona we take kids too far ngesikela and then sikhohlwe singabheki abantwana ukuthi abantwana utalented the system that was there before has made abantwana babantu abamnyama to concentrate on being educated slaves yet than ukuthi babheke namatalente wabo we've got Lionel Messi umuntu uzashona italent lakhe lingasetshenziswanga ngapha unama degree unani akasebenzi futhi phezulu kwalo so what's the point ukuthi aphile some commit suicide some commit suicide
Touching base on what you are saying, it's because I can say we want rather have them both. You understand? Because you can have talent but no education, or you don't have discipline. You can have education but without talent to actually themselves. Rather have them both. Also fall somewhere. Than not to fall anywhere, because we have a lot of people who are talented but manje babuye kasi. Touch base with the podcast where I saw quite to artist, then I saw a clip bakhuluma ngalelo kwaito artist ukuthi akuna so broke manje so thuka abantu basekase ukwatile bo big, you understand. That nigga was talented but because of lack of education kwazanga ukufika kuzo.
Touching base kule kwaito ne kuna Frontman awona lela Frontman bafethu ne sebengasho when you speak about ama-kwaito artist awile mina I would touch base kuma-kwaito artist like uDok Shebeleza the late Browndash, the late GTZ, Umandoza. Uzola, yabona lela Frontman bafethu. Umzoliso has done a lot for abantwana abafana nathi abakhubazekile. Ask me, I know. I was in the forefront then. Naya ngakuchair. I was cool. Bengifunda eFlip Kush League ne? In my first primary year before ngizoventure White City Adelaide Town. I was cool. Hey, the principal womlungu ne? Mina ke I was fired from Crash because of bengicula ingoma zomzabalazo. During 92, I was fired in a crash one coach. Ingamla yathi hamba la because when we are rasa ucula ingoma zomzabalazo awusumntwana wena umuntu omdala. I was fired from crash. And then fast forward isikolo sethu umlungu yashona uMajackson. Dies behamba ngeuche. She dies. uMajackson kungena abantu abamnyama. Mismanagement of funds and stuff uyangithola wena no sports, no activities, no nothing. Fast forward ke mina ngihlale phansi kwena athi ngibheke lento. It was 2001. Ngithi no siyalimala la, and it's been going a long ngapha kusetshenziswa corporal punishment. Sishawa umlibe mfethu. I got two clocks. The uhlala la izon form chita wami ngathi clocks, I have a plan to destabilize yonke le rubbish engena la enzakala la iske. What is the plan? Ngathi no, you know what? I'm going to get Thuli closely with Thuli and Frostane sizwane sibe kanje ithama lakhe SGP. And then methama lakhe kwa SGP ngizokwazi mina ukukhuluma naye. Ngilibonisa ukuthi Mr. Khumalo siyalimala la 120. Mr. Khumalo understood kanti naye uyayibona le mission. He went there wathola umunye principal bathi ubusilithuli. Yabo lela lady shout out namanje. Ungibona ngine confidence kanje. Miss Luthuli gave me that confidence. He came to our school. He knew Mzolisto. Mzolisto came on board. Our school changed forever, but it was nice. Changed forever. We were beaten by Kane, by one teacher, Shang Kane. Uzola came in with the child line, what not this time. I get corporal punishment. Uzola built the swimming pool for his Kena set. Ayiki moto kaZola engayigibelanga from iBML Silver to iCrossfire to iChrist namwethu. Uzola noma ngibona endleleni iskens bengifunda nabashana bakhe. Ulerato no refill. Bebashale eTopsendville. Bengifunda nabashana bakhe. So bamtshela ukuthi man khona ezisha ngawe mfethu inganywa nengoma zakho ikwazi nokuzicula. Uzola when he came he saw me, we pampered. Who was our physiotherapist, I coach Ebola Futi, ended up working for Orlando Pirates DDC. Peto Joseph Makai. Then after that, all these artists, May 15, 2004, Benga Tokshebeleza, Maz Trubani, Mzolisto, Brown Dash, Bebafika, Tangani, sending to an Anjama artist, Babafia Scale, Bazobana Bantu Babayangfuna. Kanjalo nje ukuthi awumukhale they've been there amaorla mapaputsi and then the school set was well run and well organized saba ne-team yamantombazana ebhola and then saba ne-netball and kwaba nama-athletes table tennis everything was running smoothly in our school and there was no this thing ukuthi manje kumismanage wama-funds. Uzola was like this. Everybody has his own flops but iHrotman thina la senzele into ezikre la senzele into ezikre
Goodman vele ya
7 masiphelele bafethu shout out to Goodman, shout out to Goodman, shout out to the Impact ayifakile lokushini yabo. So what I want to say is me my people, what I saw and I think you need to touch base and talk about it is mental health was it. Currently MT is trending Ola nomfazi wakhe. Amatita they are mocking him, abanye they are making fun of him. Ricky spoke about this. A lot of chants bakhulumile ngalento le ukuthi wafethu umfazi wami uyangishaya, not Ricky just say mental health. Umfazi wami uyangishaya, being abused endlini. Then we have abanye abantu wena indaba ukuthi ufuna ukuya out. Kuyoze kube nini amajita akwazi ukumela omunye umjita or abafazi bakwazi ukusimela because thina umfazi indoda mayithitha umfazi ushaya umfazi ushaya indoda kuyoze kube nini intombazana mayithitha umfazi ilandwe ya why amantombazana ithatha isikhathi ukuthi out uzoqina gents mental health yamajita. Let's touch base on that.
My take mina ebafowethu is that the society sakhuliswa ngokuthi indoda ayikhali. We grew up ngento yokuthi indoda ayikhali and which was wrong, you understand, because we bottling some issues in ships wahlukunyezwa wayenzwani. Bafowethu, it's not only ama-girl child ayerape abomalume back then, even amajita akhona yethu umuntu uyayibhotlila riding masekangena ukhule a-abuse masekangena. Hence you see today in power, sinama-councillor are in power today, are angry. They don't want anything to help people, bafuna ukuzihelp abona because of why bakhuleke anger mfethu. A child going to school without bread ucabanga ukuthi masombeke kuphawu uzobacabangela abanye abantu. He or she will never think for those.
Shanyela
kwasa nangu umngani wami it's a DJ. He hosts birthdays for us. We hosted my birthday. It was big and fun. Yaqala ngo-8 yaphela ngo-10 ekuseni ngakusasa. It was big and fun. It was big and fun. Big and fun. It was fun. Umngani wami host even nale 31st host ama-parties. The came. Annual. The councillor came. Wathi nge-31 sicela uyekela umsini. Imagine umuntu bekaphila naye afunda naye. Told ukuthi sicela uyekela umsini. The other sekuza lona ikhansela lizobuza ukuthi sikhiphani ugazi.
Khansela siyakhansela. Yabona la sasekazi bafethu cabanga. Yabona namakhansela busy cabanga thina sinjani. So when adding on the mental health yamajita bafethu because we do have the Majita who are going through a lot. Joe mentioned kona rape atholile kona they were abused atholile, then they start having a family, some abuse abantwana, sometimes bebangekho free, khana baba nenyuku, khana abantu bayazi-enjoya. What do you think about mental health?
Yeah, carry on. Yeah, wala taba ya mental health is serious, especially vele ko machiteng. Eding on top of into buang ki chef ne. Yeah. Ai san. Re hatelle le re santan re banya. Abona the only thing o tshwanetseng hore o itsebe o re tshwantse tshware mosadi hantle. Motho e leng motho wa mme tshwanetse o mo pempare wa bona forgetting hore le wena o motho le wena o na le di-feelings, le wena o na le di-boundaries. So o etsalang wena Ntariana as much as Jefferson society already wa bona yo so gona le the brainwash ya hore vele monna o lela ka mogara ai o tlalla jwang tanke nna le treka shaileng go sisigelela ya bua trekele e re wena e re ya ona le lyric ya reng as out ya ilo reporta case ko police station instead of for by thusa ba ilaga ke magata da kuna lyric a buileng tanke something like that. Dipina tse tshwanang le dipina tse jwalo ne they don't get easily famous because di bua di va. So ha re bua if re tlo bua nnete gore sharp mental health ya ntlan e kadile so ka lebaka la bomang ka o sane re tla be se o detse bo di hitmen gore tshwanetse tsela di bua ene rona di hitiri di shapa go studio a re bona ba isa di hitmen. So Machita nna ke tlo Machita ke go le Machita a batle lu bua ka age Machita gents, this is what you need to know from today on. Some 2 cent advice from Kaki. So the reason why you are not getting excited, you are the one who promotes excitement. How propose? It's because of you are the prize. Tloelang ba fetore o keta o thola 350 nyana for an example 350 nyana fela lefatse tshwanetse le eme jwanong because of wena o tshwere 350 and then o lebala o paya the smallest thing ko charting la pole ka 50 rand or o kaema o lady or timer or mangwane or as long as una le elder 50 rand nyana e raman nzo alright 50 rand yana yo man mamzo so ka bona man kiye ai wena baby ka 350 baby manje relo re jaka tepones ha o khutla Monday so shebile mauledi wa gago ko mahlo. I'm trying to say chance you are the prize not boche sorry sisters a kibu yampi mental health ke into serious and Machita re afela vele re afela mostly drugs. Number 2, babang alcohol.
It like it
and then mostly babang they run away. They run away from facing the challenges. Dauri sanko charting haona nzo. Ko charting ke nna mshimane. Ke tlo tshuna jwang gore ke khone go charting ke be bro totafle. Instead of maybe we nke ka taba e positive, maybe we tle go botare ana ma go paspan. Or amanche fini into ngangenzela msingayenza concert or singayenza king re ka etsa ka tinyana re kgone go gaina you want the shortest way which is crime. Stop it. I never use panelo to border re tlo zwakala rije amakuku wa lelizwe and then ho fedile. So face the challenges and then protect your heart with everything that you have because that's the only thing that is keeping you alive. Until that's my take. That's my take.
Shout out to them. Abaningi bathi aspina kanti drift ngitshela hena bafethu as Machita bafethu remain strong bafethu
yes
remain positive bheka phambili bafethu indoda yakhala into strong yakhala ngaka ekhala because if awukhala zingesikwazi ukukusave so that's why bathi ongakhali ofela
embelekweni.
So you have the right to cry. You understand? You have to cry. You have to talk about everything that's happening in your life. I wish nothing but the best from you currently watching yabo, because I once saw a post ukuthi abantu abaningi ngabe commit suicide just because abafuna ukuchaza abafamily yabo, abafuna ukuluka weak, abazi ukuthi kwenzakala at the other side. If abantu bebazi ukuthi mawuzibulele kwenzakalani, ngabe abaningi
basibulele
manje sisaba ukuba amadlozi amabo.
Imagine sengishawa umcimbi senyavela la nge-wheelchair ngizomosha
sesizana nawe
zimbalele ngaphandle lesekho ngayi mara every time anjalo ayidale zikuvalela ngaphandle mfethu ngiqaqa namavili ngiyakhetha.
So speaking about the wheelchair, how did you end up being wheelchair?
Mfowethu mina entari ngikhule ngizivayela grand kwatholakala ukuthi I loved soccer too much. I loved soccer, bengidlala idiski esikela, bengigoalkeeper ngiyi-captain yabo. Uyambona umuntu ovimba angajimanga. Mina I ended up not training, bengihlala kanje kuthiwa akhala amanye amaplayer mfowethu bathi ayimiyekeni principal uthi semiyekeni uyazidayenza Friday mabangifaka egamini ngivimbe enye into ngivimbe enye into yambona uLouis Chilavert lo we-Paraguay. I was like Louis Chilavert, bengifana noLouis Chilavert. Then 99 fast forward lento ama-challenge ekasi ngidlala ne-challenge out yami idlala kwelinye iside nami ngidlala kwelinye iside. Yawazi ke abombokazi-ke ile beqinile angena kimi batholakala ukuthi ushifta i-kneecap. Fast forward ke ngafaka isamende ne, it was this league, the right leg, ngifaka isamende ngiyifake for about 4 months ngingahlala ngingaye esigela, but isigela bebangana problem because I was a favorite child. Then ngifunde eJardini Spanish lokho siyenza, ngifundele eJardini ngize ngikhiphe isamende. Then ngikhiphe isamende bathi ngingabuyeli ediskini, ayithi azike nabo magogo bakuhlohla umhlabelo babhasha i-cartoon mixe nomhlabelo
bathi hayi uzoqina
yena intanga zakho zadlala ngithi nabo malume uyazi edlala ibody ayisakhoni ukusustain. So now I ended up ukuthi hayi news idea, and guess what ke ntwana no counseling no movement ntwana ithe mabahlala la ngathi hayi siyaphambili siyaphambili because of yini ngina-riding siyani self confidence mngani wami yabo, njengoba ngitshela ukuthi nginenyawo ezi-6 mina ngikhula ngingangena ngakhona ngihambile ntari ngihambile Power Park Spice Gold wonke ama-event I was there. mina ngihambile mfethu places FNB Stadium yonke into I've been there.
Newtown
yonke into aboshush Midrand lezi liyagcina sekuyikalawa lounge kwaba iklabhu zaka Kenny Kunene. I've been there. Even show mayiwa 2005 iwiswa izinyoko umzakezela la kaphansi show the last performance ngithi siyafika laphana ngihamba nezinye izinto zami zase-24 siyafika laphana bayaperforma abo-pro yazi-ke i-first abo-pro besibophela abo-squad camp abozola abobani bani mfo umzekeze kuzoperforma seyivalwe i-rain show thina sesiyahamba athi sibu zonke izinto ze-TS azidiyo ngilapha ukushaya i-10 nge-wheelchair lo muntu ongiphushayo uwelele thina sengihambe nabanye ne ngine ngibuya nabanye edladeni le-out beyingibeke la ingihlise ku-wheelchair ingibeke la kuchifta wonke umuntu ukuthi ngiye phambili ingibeke la bathinta kanje abo-Karasma Fashion so abo-Groundation bathinta kanje iwili renshow security ngasakwazi ukucontrola Dorothy Nyembe Park ekuvazda i-TS bengilandela kanje I was following abo-Drenko makushawa ama-TS against crime angithi beyimix ama-artist uDrenko makazofika shaya ama-hood ekuvazda no-Seshman makazokhipha i-album lese indoda liperforma lapha eSimba Stadium esekuyi-Nike Center beziwa la bengila kunethi imvula mfana ikhipho sizihambisa kanje emoyeni. I've been in all these places. Now I see hence ngithanda nami ukuthi i-birthday yami ngicelebrate. Yabo, and I always tell Park, people can speak, you know how people are. I always say eKaSlam niyazenza izinto ne, but for me I'm the only, I'm the only guy owaletha i-artist elinama-awards elalisayinwe yi-Ghetto Rap eKasi lazoperforma. Drake came to my birthday, wathi wangifonela wantwana ngifake eposteni ngiyeza ngizokuperformela. And I got the happy birthday message kuMichael Jackson waseMzansi birthday message wathi ntwana yami ngeyi-16 December 2023 ne, angithi ngibirthday ngomini but bengishaya ngoDecember wathi ntwana ube grand i-birthday yakho celebrate kamnandi, happy birthday. Mina ku-public space impintshami I'm loved, hence no Tata Lux. That guy found us without electricity too. Lux. And my mother was always questioning me, Alwanami. When I don't attend meetings and we are in so there's affect. Our mama to bebe puma. That yabanda to winter like we winter man. By remember Kone, cancel babies, but chile the way they full 6,000 ngakho.
Yeah, 12,000 is now.
Lux when he came and said, I give a Promfontein. For the Lam Lavala Promfontein. Like Malbonu Lux, like the child of Nikesha, like Malbonu Lux, like I'm charging Tanga Yakulu. Latimina, Zoyam Sha Ulax Ezala. Imagine Maskanga ni parking, then at it Tala Sazana. When I spoke, the Ulaxman Kai platform, Navachela, at Nina last good electricity, a constitution as a South Africa, and a man's. It's a free basic savings.
It is.
It's a free basic savings for all. I think to say something with community. Meeting in Batugile. When I said that, the councillor ran away. Ulax took the paper 6,000 one tabula ranch. Ulax Maramba Yonkinda Amarali Wonke, Besiganji, your lax. That is why I tell you with me that leadership, what I understand about leadership, you don't choose when you fight amongst the people. You are calling everyone, but wait, Ulax used to say, but wait. When you hostel, there is no tribal. Let's get together, Jablani Stadium. We are fighting electricity. We are fighting electricity. Silwela in Ukis. Ulax make sure, Guti, Ndwana, when promise each and every time, don't give up, Sizoito electric. Ulax, you know what he did? He was at the communal hall. He knew Guti cancel himself. Wabuzenya but to speak so good to Jeff Ushala, what Langana case called. Lux went to the council and told him to bring that box. Naksasa label figi box. Spetabo fanana. So it to parliament. Best Abu Commander Chabang. Commander Chabang was always giving me a call. Ibu case meet I got Kulega by years. Angena Ganjama Poxekas. That is why when I stand up, stand up, I invite everyone in Patinia. Who's a child, who's a color, I post that time to say, tell me, there's a Puma all out, you organize the Range Rover. You Puma out, you organize the Range Rover. I'm child Wuti into a number plate, a Hambi, brand new, I know number plate, Incha. The Kashera mean, especially Ilom Chitalo. Ilom Chitalo. Let me swing this phone.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Don't say where to get the current we are watching Casino for you know, so we chat base on until chat conversations. Because shout out to your story. And don't before the cut, shout out to you for the problem cheater. They support what benefits them. You understand? Because you will change them. But you supported him. That comes from increase your heart. I understand.
Yes.
Shout out to the Temba Feti. Stop support the money because you want to benefit. Support because you want to support.
Yes.
And don't support with expectations.
Yes.
Because when you don't get what you're expecting, it's quite a
so it's
they already paid friends.
It is all about jazzy when I'm poetry. Now I'm moved to Tunisian Enjan. Support. You see me, Mina, Ikrizalamine, Belina Lento Tendot. Ayiko lento ukuthi so siyabe yayiwe So I was brought kumphakathi and understanding the knowledge. Azange banike lento ukuthi bafile sorry and stuff. Ngabanika mina ukuthi yimlo asiye. Ngiyamthola. Asiye. Mina iThekwini ngibambela iThekwini abangayicabanga. Namanje ngithekena eGreens West e-Estate ePitori.
wena
I'm telling you, for Loveness, for one of my girls, Loveness. One shooting ngathini? It's my girl. Yeah, it's my girl. Phela ngibena abaningi. Angeke ngikwazi ukubala history yami ukusuka le emuva yangithola. Hayi, lalela ngisijisi mame. Angithi khona nalo wathi I thank my wife and my girlfriend. Yangithola, yayibona. Injalo la. Mawune history buyer mpitha yabo. Mawune history buyer through ama girls.
Yeah, you lose ground.
You lose count because of mina nginjani mentari mina ne. I have a lot of even friends. I've got a lot of friends. Ipasi lami ligcwele.
Yeah.
Yeah, ipasi lami ligcwele. I've got friends who likes political space. Ahlanganisa ipolitiki. Bangifaka ku ENCA. Awuzibona abantu bayakubona wena awuzibona uSkebengu Phakiso Chantsongo umusic ke lapho Skebengu wasandoda shoot music video first time ngenza i-riding i-birthday my first ukuqala mawubhala i-track phela ngivala amakasa ayi-3 ngale 2018 ngavala iKasilam la ngihlala khona ngasuka ngayo ngaya kuPhakiso ngavala iKasila kaPhakiso ngaya kuChantsongo sawuvala ngala. So what did happen? USkebengu bengingamazi. Le ntwana usesho uKhuhlwane ingitshela ngoSkebengu. Ngithi alright uSkebengu. Ngibuza wawa uSkebengu angitshati uzomba uSkebengu afike ngephuleli blue. Angithi kusase.
Oh, na konjineli
LLP. Yeah, ladies love country. Yeah.
Simon.
I said, alright, yeah.
Untwana fika alrebe ne. Aphuma empoma kabuye ubuya neconvoy eyimoto. Kwafanele ikasi we enjoyed mpethu kwashaya u3. Ke uyawazi kumona wasekasa. Kanti petition siyenzile. Ngwana umakhelwane yafona ukuthi senze umsindo. Hayi kwafika bokhata nama metro. Mina bese ngivayile ngitshelwa manje. Sengilela ngabo 3 ekseni ngeke ngihamba athi athi uphumula. Mawufika bongitshela amajini bese ngabokhatha nama-traffic cop bathi ba-pound sound labantu bathi niyahlanya babuza udipati kabani kwathiwa hayi uJeff bathi moplomaring hamba nesitulo kwathiwa hayi siyahamba njini hayi no ayiqhubeke le mina ntari ne even namanje 2 months back I was at Ipocaska Baba Mthethwa Omni Audio Africa ngikhulumela iSoweto Derby ne and that opportunity gave me because I was a first soccer fan ekasi ukukhuluma on a social platform live ngibukelo yonke umuntu ngikhuluma ngeSoweto Derby. So that was big. So mina anything chatting uyazi ne video bakadoza ngiyazilahlela. I do not give anything. So that is why I'm saying even nakubafethu abadisable. Hey guys, mawufana nathi ayikho indaba ye-askis shame sorry. Yes ubuma ubangene ukuthi upressa kuphi amabhathini azozijaya. Uba nenkinga sibize thina oJeff mpethu sikhona bolova makeke kuFacebook sikhona sabomelusi F5140 ku TikTok sikhona sibize mkhulu sokufaka thina uzohlangana nabontari likhale kanje uphuza ama energy drink nawe uthola bolax bahlangene nawe yonke indawo thola boPhakiso bakudlalele ingoma from ngoku 8 ebusuku thina ngo10
ayangithengisa
mpethu uthola boChantsongo bazoze bakufake nasemotweni baqule nawe uthole nabo Sylvester Mfukeni bathe uthi awusitsheli lokho nabo abathi yayibona so izinto ezinjalo bafethu asiphileni bafethu all what is needed is courage the spirit and build yourself mawumuntu don't be afraid of anything mpethu ifear years ukubhalela ifear iborder gate icolonize umqondo ifear it's a border gate mina ngazi ukuthi uMandela wathi free yabo ngo94 so I'm living that umkhulu ushonile lento ayikhulumile ifana newheel isashithi ngayo
so I don't want to step into the current trending topic that happening man you are unwinded I think 80s man let's talk about the March when they didn't say anything you are talking about the one that you must say free basic things sesiyabhadala umhlakazi bafethu isimpo sikhuphukile abantwana abasebenzi abanye baya-drop out because of the situation abanye bawu-gangsterism siyadura amanzi ayadura yabona abanye bavula amakhawashi yabona la silikhona kusekhawashi but angeke akwazi ukusebenzisa amanzi to that limit because amanzi ayadura nale muntu ekhawashi akanamali because la sebenza khona bambhadala imali engamlinganga i-rate and services la ahlala khona ziphezulu so manje what's happening with mountain market happening in 30 whereby involve a tribe like a black tribe. So I don't know the tribalism and Bazaar. So what you take about that and what you take about the priest from around the Soviet? Are you part of this or are you not?
You can start.
Okay. Okay, everyone is entitled, right, to his or her own opinion. Okay. Somehow, the way nakinankate, the way nakibonankate, when Tarian.
Yeah.
Sharp, but tobacco, I said that's in town.
Yeah,
like it's beyond. Le na ba hotella ka siao wa bo akwathi bua ho le ka bo di product ore rentwe re tsebang rena ba bang ha o ya America o batla passport kapa visa whatever ne ene a o ile dula da sebakanyana okay ane vuye mo le kwa America o sna a valid reason rena le bona le mo di moving ha o qala o fihla ba passport ha o qala o passport okay re ka o thusa ka eng o batlang ba you know to proof I ke tlo etsa 1 2 3 4 maybe business so okay how long is your stay like wa bona le go di movie sharp ba banga bana tsona mara ba dutse guys and the way ba dutse ka teng it's like who comfort ne like everything is right for bona they don't need to go back I don't say ke bua or government entse not the only thing enka kopang o riska etsa ali one or okay it's true they need to go back go bua le tsa bona if ever tshwantse ba khutle ka ya o se ho lokisitswe bo di border or eng management ba khutle the way ho khutlwang ka teng ha o khutla go di movie ba tsana tingpelela ma movie ya khula it's not that it's like an example wa tseba a never ntlu na le mlao every business ina le di policy everywhere mo yang teng like how people Roma you do what the Romans do jwalo if you go Italian you do what the Italians do jwalo so you can't vele let them live huluke kai amfetu podcast ya ulona ikristika rumpetu abare reduce mfetu ne ya manaba reduce mania I feel like batlu ka dijo man background ke ona wa understand that the likes the followers le wena hona ntho e etsalang so that o khone o etsang o be ya borotho mo di matafong ha o be jalo pele then batla go tla se batla bona ba etsang but and then moso wethu e ke kupang tsa o lutha ba fetwa difaza tsa rona la tseba hore la tswila etsang last ene ila re thusa pimvili ila re shut down no sna motho batlang o senya no sna motho batlang o etsang le rona ke ntwe lone re ikupelang ze so wethu okay ha re dile ka bona ba tsamaye de we rona re batlang hore ba tsa hore so matha puru wa luta wena so gqezana le di content o tla shwa because akere la bona ba reng bari yangazi unantse trendang the voice note bari so poison ukudla nan let them live hungry leave their shops and their stock or whatever if this is if not maybe
it's a criminal it would be a criminal act
it's a criminal act vele ya luta and then uska luta ka utla luta o jena merong as much as kichilo re tlo tla re rama kuku wa lelizwe re lebale ka wena stamo that's my take
for me Ntarine, as you know we always speak about this issue for me I heard which is right and you can't come wena we are lahlela and do whatever you do but let me touch this as a leader mina angifuni ukulwa ngamanga. I don't want to fight like
I've been led to engage. And kuyo lento engikhuluma ngayo, one of my family members was shot in 1995 during the ANC. Shot dead. He was shot dead. He was shot dead.
The documentary was also done.
And the story, the lie. So Ndaris, don't make people with lies. We fought man, endala. Ekhulele kwi-chieftains. Ekhulele kwi-chieftains. You are coming and saying 5 million for food only. Already you are misleading us. Yes, the cost is good, but the way you're talking, it's lies. Because no one can pronounce 5 million. Say 5 million ukuthi siyokamela ukuthi babavaya bangakwazi ukujala. And now, emalokishini,
we still have traumas about the tribal wars that were happening that ended up affecting abantu basemalokishini. There are people from Buipato.
Yeah.
There are people from Togoza. People from Chablani, Mzimhlope, Dube, who were affected by that war during that course of time. You are the leader of Imagine Man.
who represents the party that was fighting Laban. You come now, we have Vumbuga with the stature of the tribe, with Amabuto and coming here, Abantu Mababona Leanto Bachi. They start shaking.
Push to say, Kulaba, Mkamba, Bakuchile, Singabad. Tell them, Buki Stadium. Orlando Stadium is there. Football Stadium is there, Katoras. Group people who shooting Zobengu. Fika Orlando Stadium. Donza abantu basemalokishini, udonza ama hostel dwellers. Uthi bafowethu siyakwazi okwenzeka ngalezi ayikhathi okwenziwa abantu basemalokishini nabantu basemahostel. Okwamanje asihlanganeni njengomzansi. Lento ingomzansi ayikho ngepolitiki. Ingomzansi asihlanganeni siboneni ukuthi le issue yabantu bokufika abangenamaphepha specify that. Specify that because now utabahambe uqosha kwa i-embassy. Uqosha i-embassy and embassy is documented. Now uqosha i-embassy kusho wena you are isolated from the world.
Yeah.
Not from Africa, from the world.
The world is
Say abangenamaphepha they must leave. Bayilungisa into zabo. Uyangithola. Mawungakalungisi umhla ka-30 it's deadline. You don't explain uthi ngomhla ka-30 uhamba nomuntu ngomhla ka-30 siyakhala. People already were fumigated. And then remember, there's a saying in English that go to the if you want to win your war, use the most vulnerable. Because they are hungry, they don't think straight, but they will follow you. And then if you achieve the objective, you win, we have a source. We don't want that. Ukuthi kusasa some tribe years idithe salwa la iSoweto isusa abantu. They understand?
No.
Sekumele ngilande Uber njengetaxi. Sekumele ngilande Uber njengetaxi. Yabo? Sekumele ngilande Uber njengetaxi. Yabo? Sekumele ngilande Uber njengetaxi.
Hi man, who Jeff? Howry, he's from the chieftaincy.
This guy ukhulele kaBomangosuthu Buthelezi.
Ubuka Phakela?
Yes.
Serious.
Ukhuye babakhe, go and listen to i-podcast kaSkip. Ubabakhe wamthatha wamsadaka kaBomangosuthu wathi nanga umntwana nginipha yena wakhulela la. He said it naye bluntly kuSkip son.
Okay.
So now into nikabantu fear. This guy represents that party. He was a councillor 2020 yaleya party. Now abantu mabebona lento that trauma comes back ukuthi we want ubonile abesuda ngithi baze balanda uLux noDon bethulile ukuthi one time sesizotshela ukuthi uMsuthu tsamaya
uMxhosa hamba la.
So uLux was trying to calm them down with no, there's nothing that is going to happen. We don't want tribal wars. Please. We don't want tribal wars. We don't want tribal wars in Soweto.
Please, man,
These guys will live peacefully. Only documented in the shop because I won't blame President to say in the President told them before, go and register your shops. sizonazi mawungayirejistanga kusho ukuthi wena sowudelele nomthetho wepresident ngoba ipresident ikutshelile before thina sikutshele ukuthi register your shop ube legally la country uyayibona la and touching based on drugs Ntari ngisasho let's not fight ngamanga angithandi ukulwa ngamanga mina drugs bafowethu one into iqala kithi abazali babantwana abantwana bethu kids mbeki ngabo baba you can go to Pitori you find ubaba omdala ubhemi unga ubaba lo muntu 50 something ubhemi unga then Ntari tell me if there are no customers will be there any business mawuba isisinkwa singasithengi so you know what's keeping the drug dealers these kids always come and makuzoredwa yibo abatshela labantu ukuthi guys you're South African kids batshela labantu hide the stuff you know what abadiscipline from emadladleni we did things nathi sambile sambile we did things sitolile we had fun uke wajiva waze waphelela emlindweni nomuntu ongamazi wagcina wathandwa ifamily yalapho yakuthengela istraight yakuthengela icase the way ukhuluma ngakhona
wena mntana ukhuluma ngakhona bangasichimisa nazo ukuthi yokuthobaleka
yazi ingapha mina I always say mina mngani wami umuhlale noNtanta umbuze la ukuthi who is this guy uNtanta will tell you ukuthi lo muntu lo bekalo ngizo imkhuza you tell not awuyeke uphalathe relax ukhethe uzothola
but it's true
understanding we need to have mawe leader kuke kwalimala abantu eDeepproof ngazi ukuthi Orlando ke yaba in the part lapho I must come ngithi Orlando Deepproof ngicela sihlangane nendaweni leso silungise lento kunenkinga eso ekufanele silwe nayo and one thing esishaya ignorance out here uthe Mahlatsi no Agnes Gibson I still clap for them those guys when they add yizo people of South Africa were saying yizo brings crime
tend to be
yizo was trying to warn us about drugs kunengidi manje kune shining top kunani zizokhula if nina bazali bamanje anisiviki thula abantwana ene nabo bazoba nabantu ababhayela bazobe badlala manje
sebababhayela lobabhayela
ukuthengela ukuthi
you understand ene wena mfowethu akekho umuntu ongalidla idrug even this in a cafe angene rehab what does not enter the rehab is a drug alcohol i-drug esemthethweni which umuntu ozothi alcohol asi-drug unamanga i-AA ifunani Alcoholics Anonymous alcohol asi-drug alcohol is a drug esemthethweni that the government makes money ngayo
and abantu they don't see ukuthi alcohol is a gateway to kulama drugs are dangerous kakhulu.
Thank you, it's a great thing ngoba even in the artist ucala kakhulu ubuze kakhulu nini uyabhema sekayabhema what we need ukungalungamanga lento ephaza zalabantu njengoba labantu bethiwa abantwana bayabhoda ukhona umuntu wasemzansi onesandla kulento labantu bazobukeka blind
so coming back to that kodwa ukuthi ukhona abantu abenesandla abase South Africa ekushiseni indlu yakho kanti kodwa
ngizwe but they are you know Ntari ne ungizwe leta lo uphakela ngembali yabona uMacingwane ne uMacingwane is a lunatic ne and ukhuluma noma yini ne and he tells it blunt like it is singahlala la the whole day noMacingwane whether soccer whether anything uzokutshela that guy once told uCasper Nyovest ukuthi wena uyayenza irap kodwa bakuhlulayo kulento yenzayo futhi awungangiphikisi ngoba uMacingwane he doesn't dilly ne he's straightforward.
He's like
he's same njengoJuju. They are very straight. Well, that's why impilo yabo ishisa they are straight talkers. UMacingwane wena mfowethu kunabantu ababanomona mawuqala uPakiswa uyaphakama uvele podcasting kaNtari wasuka wayovele podcasting kabanibani wavela kuphi wayenza advert mhlambe DJ mhlambe uswitch ufuna advert ukuthi promote ngobu DJ kunomuntu ozothi nje uyanyalo sekavela kuphi abantu once wenze advert so nemali wavela ku podcast so nemali
bakubona TV
so nemali it was instigated by the system ukuthi lo akasafani nani masekavela kanje udangerous uyabo uzothandwa nayi labantu bebangakubulisa khona bazokumonela futhi ngaphezulu so isho kamacingwane it's not ini mfethu dilideli khona okhula nabo abakuzonda from ukhula bathi lo ngeke abe successful uphumelele bakuzonde fana nokuqoshwa kwakhe la aqoshwe khona kule state there is a hand mfethu
it was deliberate
untanga is a straight talker and ama straight talkers awafuneki
ama straight talkers ayafa
awafuneki
like of Steve Biko
the Christians you see
abantu kumele
sobukwe waze washawa ngeclose lo yamadala ngeclose bam isolate ukuthi ahlala ayi-one
yeah nalo bekasho ukuthi my ifoning henga abane
uSolomon Mahlaba
damel nourish the soil yaseso
baningi bakukhlela ku4 haya mfethu those were true liberators abantu bebangabhekanga ipolitiki yesisu yabo namhlanje sinama liberators sinabantu abacabangela izisu zabo uyangandastand mfethu imagine the world is watching. The world right now is watching. It's taking South Africa is xenophobic. Yet kunama capitalists who are instigating this. So thina abantu basemalokishini sibulawa yini mangibona uPakiso afaka ibonda kubo ngiyazonda
instead of asking uchune jwa fethu
sibonelana ngawo lama rent asemajaridini ubili ama-family members kumonelwana ngawo masofaka isiphaza sakhe usithe ngekula yekula leli lirenta kuwe yangithola mina ndari the hands ngisho ngithi amanga angiwafuni we see ukuthi what is happening ukube iphaza zikho emakasi lezala abantu we will never even ever basondele kithi khulunye ngokumasha and stuff dala zenzeka izinto why now singatshela iyenzekile Alexander nobody came yazenzela nobody came and said hey this and this and this ubani owathi abahlali president Babu Msholozi said hayi bafowethu asehlise imimoya labantu siphile nabo wasitshela nomlando ukuthi bebahlala emazweni abo bangasiqoshi
he mentioned
why this tribe waphakama wathi Msholozi uyagula because of what Babu Msholozi is their tribe. These guys are tribalists isikhathi esiningi nangu king yabona mina uking mina nobaba yakhe I used to understand uBabu Zwelithini. I used to get and understand Babu Zwelithini was a man of his word. People can Pakiso people bazokulinda man bazokulinda instigator nalento ukuthi uMandela kusuye washona insumpa it's instigated by people influence fire
especially no social media ifihlile phela everybody believes everything bayibona ko social media and everybody believes and wabona soliwe so khona artificial intelligence abawushapa kayona lona wabona kama mpela uJeff uthi so ngami kanti yakhe voice asimangmang bayingile phela khobe nkari mlomo adding on top of Ntobuwa Nkijek, do you think there's any South African that was involved in the banning of Matiwan? Kimang Nto Mingin Tatimkun. Adding on top of that, Ndar Jeff Buwan I'm an example. This is me. London Pit Events. London Pit Events. Okay. EST 2008. It was in 2008 when I formed London Pit Events. But it was called YGS Entertainment. Entertainment. You know, Progress Arahula. So for your services, study, parties, weddings, anniversaries, funerals. But social events, everything you can contact us. Yes, you can contact us. Jeff, thank you. Jeff Buwan in March 2001 March 2026 ne mfethu kizona old age mental health when was it 2023 3 or 4 no 4 bale ban sha sound
yo vele nami ke bamshaya camera
Tariana bro waka. Akere I'm adding on top of ntwe Jeff I buang 1 meter Tariana. Wa bona and ntwe teng ke le bua ke Stoki. DJ.
Yeah,
Ntate Mbatho. Ke la bua ntwe teng a re bona your circle needs to be small.
Yeah. Yes.
So that you can see what's happening around you.
Those are profound. Those are words.
One joy,
Men need to hear.
one joy. Okay, like who was Stoki riding say, Kwabenkari. Stoki. Aye. He was right. So ushebe hakiri Jeff right ka taba ya hore ha una motho ka o shayang a sa o tsibi. Ne vukhawathe usina motho sa tsibing ka wena.
Yeah.
Where's Batman Shailen sound diploma? Zamin. Ha una motho ntsibang Zamin. I think Ronaldo mo la hlokafala me soul resting power Nomzamo. And then Nomzamo na hosted the event ka July. Last event I was there, it was
Power.
yeah, not we need power. Hey, peace career sinyesa nako. When she did, I think she did a party 2 years before to hlokafala. That's when I met DJ Branco Soul, Mr. Ndlovu.
Yeah.
Ntarena buefa. Buefela ni sheba.
Yeah.
Watsi bor ki bukiwa ki batho ba jwang. Ona le khotman le leng ko ka sila ka active for right to renka le bitsa because ha sa le yo kontong tsa industry ya o DJ ya party. Sa le ko tse ding. Khotman le bitso la ke tumelo Q tipe, ne?
Yeah.
Apart. Ona lo mpatla for di pani tsa magata di farewell le last active nona le gata le tlhokafetseng TOCC ko holong, then we were supposed to keep memorial service nyana microphone PA system sharp mpethu ona lo bona veni pa ke ile ka charting ya magata Elisha Sound sinene o bona veni ya ko KFC e fitlile mo le Elisha Sound sheba somehow vele Ntariana somehow vele information wa itseba ya ko charting go jwa but ba fitla as police officer man siphume proof police station sine farewell January wanyiwa cheleta hiyo abana mental health mental health lokuyacabanga abantwana lithathulo zesikolo kwanthola futhi necross stationary kontuni kwanthola mental health abafithe man so retroflecting so samana ku pampetu okay nona di red flags azange ibone because of mental health no right mangayithola
Mari yabona boda
amount ayisoka approachisiwa konna especially ko SEPS police station queue vela raipa bar bana lebkana ke kopa go beso le nna traffic I queue sharp because you help me today Ntariana, tomorrow I'm going to help you kwanthola I never know ka tsala nka nna ke o le pakiso ba re deformation of character o shapile ngwanyana ka mpama ke a fahlaga ganti o na le motho tshwanang le nna ganti ka lucky because sesa kwenze le farewell commissioner mtho asiyena double checker mthoki o etsang so wanthola so bayafika bayangishashaya mara di red flags tsele sama feli wa bona le ndimo alpe wa bona God is alive. I'm the example to prove it. So, ki lebetse mic. Ki kena charte una ntse re claps. Abaso ka ba tlo ka chelete so ko police station. Ya ba ka roetsala. And police station abaso ke ba tlisa empu. Le mixer, le di CDJ. Sila di pika. Eva. Nearly farewell among bana li party kai. So in my mind I'm thinking maybe ba rumetse ke Q. Ang phone no phone abafethu. Just ke na kareng vela mna tiki makala. Uthi proof zone 6. Konje ba ukuthi zone 6 yini zone kako zone 6 venue.
Zone 6 venue.
Yeah. Mole king nearly boxer saying coach before boxer.
Boxer say pick and pay.
connected chain.
Black chain.
Yeah, okay. Area vele ki black chain. konje pleke angithi Cambridge yabona parking eCambridge da si Thewa ene Kilibethi man sekujampile story manje yolanda ama mic kunento ethi lento le man Pakiso man awuvuki awuboni vele uyaya because of imali engaka ne sharp yarana akitsa kiko khona kachela khotmana kakaru you know what angifili lento le that's why I need to call is alive and I'm the example to prove it. How do I can you take the registration of this car? That's how I won. That's how I found out le moto le yasendaweni so edlamini akira man communication bridge guys you need to build bridges don't burn them I'm going to emphasize build bridges go like thing how no matter where you are so that when you go back said should be you are going to cross the very same bridge
and can come back now.
They can't because they burned the bridge so Branco Soul Branco Soul so ara pakisazi izinto zakho zibe simple sebashayila kiri sebavayile mangifonela uQQ Adamos mina ngiyakulanda kuzwe kanjani uvelu aruko kiri zone 6 Matela Orlando East ukhuphe simangmang ona le registration kiri yes are good sithola kanjalo le yakala so after some time fast forward okay ntonyana tse ding di khutlile tse ding ga di a khutla le bophelo ba ka boteng dintso tse le re tla di paya but bophelo it's not for sale it's not so after some time I think it was 4 to 6 months later the so-called bayenzakala oyiwana bina bizaqeda ubina answer information uri runa grand sharp utara rumetse ke simangmang
esiteni ke
Mtariana akina ngale mthole akisoka ke morwaka kura I never I'm okay anyway I can't call his name it's fine but I know and I understood why he did it
secret nanda
babana ngizori kitol kupa this is a plea from DJ to you how to lay with something ubona somebody ayetsa swallow your pride yada
thank you
yes
we talk ukuthi mtholo rwetsa jwa ne ke di so feng last week Sunday is learn to go and listen to other teachings if you are not having a gig or if you are not working it's going to help you because you're going to notice and you're going to be involved and you're going to network Uchezi kushaya ashu no dilas ukune video ka Chezi Mr Chezi ke trendanga no akudala manje bathi Uchezi kushaya ashu Chezi ki life it has ups and it has downs nami ngishaya ash
nawe ubukela
wena uyishebeleti ngwashapa pere DJ Fresh mwali
no khofu nokushaya pere
mina fresh uyafika esikoleni sethu anyway ki production yakho no Traser Traser primary and high school awelanis
the Varados and
Belters from Saturday to standard 10 so DJ Fresh asantana feature ile thathu Winintana feature ile station bakula back Fresh and Tad they once visited Konotasek they came and Liena he told us same thing Fresh DJ sharp mara kinaldi mistakes wantola so ngilewa nantwewe ya Chezi tatetumelo now and enjoy sharp ibile today at least what trend okay
and the masuta rated
so if you can't do something guys butang to our coach if you don't understand something and Tariana or Jeff wafika wabona Pakiso we get a better because of 1 2 3 4 open that picture in your mind when I shift this and go and see what kind of a person is Pakiso because you'd find out for one day Jeff uzoteka Pakiso the way aling slechtate ustakile momo entry ke a utseba kokas rena lo bonana ha ke dlala molo na lo ngkhayisa mpe chapu jo nga mnate mule lenye khotman ba tuntsakisi la se TK zone 6 ba to Libran I'll tell you the way he treating some of dintho tsa bophelo regarding the industry ya ho DJ. Ya go kile wa thusa motho o kileng a o khawatha.
Yo, many times.
enye omunye umeso obuhlungu loyo.
Akilimaza lo muntu ne. Uhlangane nayo somewhere akudinga ungeso. And you know for shit. Eish ona man.
And ayipheli kahle indaba.
Unkenze somtho. And uhlomthusa ne.
Yeah.
Mara uzosola mfana.
And he's going to do it again.
Yeah.
Untomthusithe
Njalo.
So yeah, wrapping it up fela nje with taba tsa mona.
Yeah.
Mona motho montsho tlola mona. E tla utomputsa ke tla o ruta o dlala.
Yeah.
E tla utomputsa ke tla o jwetsa hore o carry lenyalong. This is the type of music that is being demanded or tshwantse o etse so, tshwantse o etse. Ha e ntho empe.
Yeah.
Ka hore o sa tsebe. Ba re botsa. O tlo khona ho tseba. So o ska kena fela una o kene. Ntariana so akena. Ha o tsebe next ka o teach. Imagine I'm looking phela nna in my industry. I'm looking at the likes of Kabzela, may his soul rest in power. Opa, little O, may his soul rest in power. Babangata, I can call them. Yeah, papas, I can call them coffee. In fact, khale re room 8 nje. Khale Opa etsa di party. Where's Castle Loud?
Castle Loud, yeah.
What's it?
Yeah, I know Castle
The
Loud.
first day ke tseba open na.
Yeah.
It was a hostile da.
Yeah.
Opposite le ha bona. Ba santsana ba tshwere. Okay, normally ne ba hosta ka sound ya DJ Break.
Yeah.
Angazi if nyamazi.
Yeah,
Break. So, but that day, khwatla oskile. Khwatla fresh. Anga kitlo batla Jeff, I never ki jump mfethu. Jump ama legend. Sengifuna ukufana no Kabza. You need to start somewhere.
Yeah.
You understand? That's how I am. That's why I mona.
More.
No, you can keep him, Bafit. As Kurumen straight.
Kiyona nje. Yes, kiyona KTV.
We even have e-riding. We even have this thing Paki. So koning desingayinaki ne. Ukhula kanje. You growing up with talent ne. Ufunda naye lo akushaye academic ne. Yeah, akushaye maybe academic. But uthola ukuthi wena you using the talent uyaphumelela. He will hate you.
Yeah,
and kube nani nama black marks and I include abanye. You know Ntari mina ngifuna ukutshela. Based on i-11 ne. Abantu okhula nabo they feel entitled to your life.
But
they feel entitled to your life ukuthi nabantu abazongena empilweni yakho abanew oventura nabo kwezinye izinto they want to blackmark you amongst bona. Uyangithola. Upakiso njengoba vele ku podcast kanje sikanje upakiso Ntari Khoni ke sakababhadeli bazokukotela upakiso akamfuna upakiso mara uzokwazi ukukokota angiboleki 10 rand manje akanayo uvele kuma podcast
mara kana 10.
Yeah, yini uyatutsa. Yabona mawuzotutswa sibale ne. Ututswe ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokututswa because of manje kuba ufuna umuntu ongathi uyakunyaza. Mina I have one friend Jone. This guy ngathi bekuyi classmate bengasi Brian ne. Yabona lento accommodateana nike kunama classmate accommodation ngathi uyihotela accommodate ngoba le hotela liyabhadalwa wena accommodate
la bayibitsa hospital.
Yeah, ushayi hospital lo mjita lo sifunde sonke eclassini ne. Mina I won't say Ntari ne. Mina angeke ngifihle. Mina I was not average. I was the smartest kid in class.
Yes.
Yes. I was the smartest kid in class. Hence ngeke ngabona ukuthi i-basic education iyabheda. I ventured to i-career like tourism because I hated mina uthisha ozongitshela ukuthi funda uzoba rich 2010 years. Ngiyena kana business. Ngiyaqina. From hand to mouth bonke amanga mina ngaphuma ngayosha i-tourism. That guy bengasumngane wami phakhe i-classmate nyama-accommodate nje ngithi. So omunye umuntu athathe ngokuthi uyakwazi and forgetting ukuthi siyakhula. Yabo?
Yeah.
Ngigcina 2009 nginishayela i-round nenza i-matric ngiyanibona ebafethu i-last year anibhale grand sharp. Lento yokuthi abantu ofunde nabo they investigate amongst ukuthi sekayenzani empilweni. Wenzani empilweni? Yabo? Wenzani empilweni? Yabo? Wenzani empilweni? Hayi. In mabathola ukuthi khona into yenzayo or babona ukuthi mhlamba wenza nix yazi benzani maba right bona bazibiza bona amongst baforme ama gathering ne talk fair bacabanga ukuthi uvalelekile. Qhamuke Ntari, ushaya into engaka. Njengami babona ngilo ngiyahost, sebavela manje benzani friend request ufaka ama-friend. Ngiyam-accepta grand untanga ne. Fast forward sixoxa ngebhola lento besinokuyenza ku-Facebook yabo. Siyaxoxela nabo Park nabo Bash ngebhola yabo. Pirates Chiefs yaphikisana. Untanga makangena. Uyambona ukuthi ungena ngeyithele towards me. Uyayibona right? So I read the lines. UBash uyangitshela Ntanga bheka lo muntu wenza so. Uyayibona right? Akangimride. Alright sharp Park aposte ipika sithengile nani yabo uposte 3 group. Hayi nami hayi ntwana uwelo hayi congra yabo. Hayi mnandi ntwana ngiyathanda mawuphusha kanje uzinakekela. Fast forward umuntu birthday package lebe ngishaye ku.
Yeah.
Ngiyamema ntwana zwakala. Let's come and have fun. Yabo? Okay, sharp. Hayi ngizuza ntwana 2 akavile. Ushaye birthday abantwana bakhe akangibizi. Yabo? Mara ngibiza hayi ngithule. Ibrahim enye ehlala la i-Proof Extension ne begijima uNhlanhla izerana bekagijima nabo Oscar sekahambile nje amazwe amaningi. Usagijima nano yabo. So uNhlanhla went to that party uvana noHlokisi umcova ngoba athi uNhlanhla sigeleze naye zwakala. Makafika la uNhlanhla bekaqiwa ama-plate kanje yabo. So I understood mina uNhlanhla manje ukuthi now it backfires ukuthi uclose nami. Untanga akafuni mina so ugibela lo.
Anyway,
ngayinaki yabo. Ngithi hayi ithi yazi into maybe ihambise step by step. Angithi yazi ne-case my investigator Park. So angithi ufuna ukumbona. Umbize futhi 2023 ngithi sibali ngishaya iphathi ngimtshela June ne. June alright sharp avuma October angibhelele. Ntwana isase-ani ngithi ngi-ani. November ntwana u-ani 16 December kavile ngishaya iphathi lapho chance mina ke kuyafana. Hlala kumnandi
ukhona
ziyawa ukhona ukho ziyawa. So kwenzakaleni Monday inbox Jeff ngicela 100 rand ngikumemile ephatini awuzange unemoto neshayela awuzange ephatini uzongicela 100 rand Monday. Fast forward kwenzakalani bavula igroup bekade stokfela azange bangitshela ngithi sebazenza bangani ngoba manje sekabafakile uye futhi obatshela ukuthi ningangifaki seyabonakala yabo nini now sekuyini umgango umdengane hayi sesingene egroupini yakhona Park yabo Untanga ngimbuze via inbox ye-Facebook sibana i-HIV yakho nami yini hayi ntwana kunafoko angithi lo ngizombamba ngene ikhadi lase-Truworths ne ngilithathe wena Park ngilipost egroupini ntake ngisayoshopa abafana kuphela ngane-10 minutes bazokupostela into zakho nathi siney'nto zethu epostini lesikhathi wena ngesikhathi uzofaka ipost yegig yakho leya ye-unlock ngiscope yamascope uyayifaka egroupini uthi kimi uyakhuluma utakise ebusuku ufaka ipost ne makafaka ipost nginilahlele futhi egroupini athi 2 days after athi usitshela nangamagiga angekho amajita egroupini ambuza nayi ipost mos ufunani
basically kimo
asho whatever
umuntu omnyama yamsaba
asho whatever ntari asho whatever what I know yazi besakayenzani Park njalo ku TikTok uyaviewa bana mayidini
batendi investigate
yazi ngibele ngenzani ntari ne mina ngiyahlanya mina uyangaziphathisa ngithatha isithombe sakho ngibekela ngibhale something ngithatha isithombe sakhe nama-followers wakhe ngithathe sami ngithi ake ngibheke iBarcelona idlala ne-Black Leopards
hey kanti uyamthini
ngithi iBarcelona idlala ne-Black Leopards wahamba wayelokhu iprofile yakhe
azange asaba right we do have people like that call I say
you don't have to be jealous mfethu if uPark Jinsung can do DJing I cannot do DJing ne if uPark Jinsung can do DJing mina umsebenzi wami ukuthatha lamakhadi wherever I go Tito bamba kanje socks bamba kanje
mfana you clap hands for others before your time comes
mangibona uTito nengikhumbula esinye istory I think ngeke ngamtshela sipheli kufanana sihlala sihlangana-ke kufanana athi ngithi kuye Tito ngingena kushuba bukela i-TV uye ufana namanye amajini ngithi Tito Zulu Mob ngiyamtshela ngithi Yami ngathi benginawe khona abazothi unamanga ufuthi simazi ukuthi yena wazi abantu abafile. So now you have to always take a picture nomuntu ukuthi abantu babone. Omunye makazi ukuthi wazi uNtari makahlangana noNtari ethi usinaye sekathatha isikhathi.
Khuluma kana yabona wesha podcast
compete like competition yadaki. Like this thing you play complete. Mfana yo. This thing is serious.
Koko.
Yeah.
And Rwanda ladi kakujetse ni. Ulwantshetsa dintho tse sa tsebeng.
Yeah.
Wena ukawatheka because of it's like kunali this series edlalang no emzini.
Yeah, I know.
Yabona le ubani ushaka.
Yeah.
Ifuna uzishana lo mntana. Ayikhona uzishala lingwano le. Sheba shaka sabota batori ngaphela I never khona ujola lona because akusheba umntatwa ubulele umntatwa like uyabona that's one joy that's ikona problem
kanje he was poisoned because uThamalam bekumuntu business wise taxi and stuff yabo wasangagedeza waceda ka grade 7 so Thamala venture kwama businesses yabo so yangithola itime lapha la eLimpopo from Joburg la thatha ama-taxi walo from eWada la yongena ngala eLimpopo ne itime bekumuntu onjani became i-general secretary ye-UDM ne ngapha uma already
under the leadership of
Olomisa and then ngapha i-already belibhizinesi Soweto concerned resident ayikhumbula le nhlangano le was the chairperson ye-Soweto concerned resident
shout out
so berahamba nabo Virginia Magwaza abo Eunice Mthembu abo Mr Mthembu that was the crew le beyilwa nama-prepaid namanzi lawa bawawine eBloemfontein babuya bazosifakela ngathi niyanya I was there ukuthi into yamanzi ngathi hey awabuya amanzi othengwayo ekhasi ngiphethe ufanana ekuseni ngo6 savala lapha savala indawo ngathi
la
yabo
lokho khutmana kugasa
Gojo.
So I understand ukuthi time bekumuntu wafika ngala wathandwa abantu wakhela abogoga ama-paypoint wenza nje into ezibhaya bagcina bamgaka ukuthi ne uzoba i-chieftaincy yangayi yabo wagcina aba yi-chief futhi naku-association yama-taxi waba yabo wangena-ke ukuthi kube uMachuze emateksini la kuma-family members poison
mfana
Same as uJiyana.
yes
poison
bafethu
Mara before you wrap it up I think we're gonna need like a second episode. Says Rani, how many?
Something's out.
Yeah, they were nothing about.
Yo.
Before you wrap it up, I just wanted to close it there. Play complex. The match on match. This month. We never cap on our part.
Man, sifuna ubona uMessi man. Yabombokazi.
But then umuntu nyamsaba. Any man, at least in Lion, ngiyazi ukuthi izongiloma. Inyoka izongiloma.
Mfana Tariana mfana.
Inyoka mayize uyazi ukuthi le inyoka. Ingiloma. Le pitbull izongenza so. Umuntu awazi. Uza agcoke isikhumba se-leopard kanti Lion.
Mfana. Khona into Tari based on that ne. Yena ungafollow leader imatch lo.
Yes.
Fanele azi ukuthi kulo lebutho akhona ama-man njengoba athanda ukuvaya ashaya abantu ukuthi ngenela yini omunye uzophuma mgwazi omunye uyathule yabona uPhathiso bekakhuluma ngale line if you remember the last part uDuma ugwazwe umngani wakhe
wangithola bafethu
so you must be aware njengoba uLux makahlala qala i-meeting bekathi siyazi akhona ama-man
akhona namanje bakhona babukela
siyazi akhona ama-man
bafethu
you must be aware ukuthi afana kuyo le group oyilidayo khona okhalela le fame onomona wale fame ukhona othi wena uyazitshela ukhona othi uhamba nabo batibona ukhona ongakuthengisa ku the state ukuthi wena yini bakhona vele abashare information ne-state ukuthi u1 no2 no3 khona manje ongathi abheka uqolani sizokuthola kule episode hostela uthole ama-drugs ehostela la ubafo alida khona alithatha abantu khona then tell me uyalida abantu bakho bathola nento eyisonja ama-foreigner
uyifeyili mara wathi next door
umile next door
Tshela ngotshani.
yeah. Let me tell you about the drug trade, Ndari. I-drug trade bafethu ayiqali la. I-drug trade, it's a trade from South America. The trade yase-South America, then they distribute these things to these guys so that they feed us, and then thina sibona bona as criminals. Yeah. I-drug cartel isuka le mkhulu. In fact, there are white Portuguese and Boers and then abelungu English who are here without visas and passports, but you won't go there because we are saba. That's why the education system ukuthi wena saba lo muntu. This is your master beggar. It's an example before we wrap it up. Eskele ungena bani 822 Espanini 824. It's only an hour. Ukogani uniform. Bekumntana eskele ubheka security system.
Nomuntu osejele dewa.
Yeah, they kill you man. Beke kasibenzana. So ndiroma la urori la yendo kikereke yiki kitave the same time iskela lelo sona
bese la kuyabhayela
ama-drugs. Yeah, then
same time isikela
yeah,
akho amafufunyane
and then you come wena mfowethu ne sine traditional healing association. Why are our doctors not allowed to treat people in Why are our doctors? Yet we say we have been Democrats. We are why are our why?
Keep the conflict, kuchilo.
You understand cinema-cleverplex.
Yeah.
Give a terminology I'm a cleverplex. Why if you can't speak English, give me Tom. Yeah, but and yet I can learn something from us from each other.
Yeah, sonke siyazi problem imo itshotsa rena and problem ke yona hayo batla go jwetswa hayo batla go mamela hayo batla go.
There was a guy, I think Mkhumbulo or Laskalo ekasi.
Okay, yeah,
Laskalo benga 10 years Ntari at that time. I was 10 years, I think it was 98, 97 da kudlalwa iChinkata Ace bekunenye iChimbati Paris United. La phuma khona uPereza noThusophala. Yeah, phuma uPereza
noThusophala.
Usilo usikhalo. Yazi bekana lento yabona uma uyintwana man ama-frontman abo-college bazoba nalento ukuthi angeke sicoachwe ile intwana uyayibona. Usikhalo used to take my tips. Second half umthetho intwana lama-defender so wena this is what we have to do. Maliphethe uboyithi imakanje ubhesh makalithatha from there uzokufakela into that space. Usikhalo tell them ukuthi mina njalo uma ningibona ngiphuma nomjito esayidini usowangitshitsha this. Usikhalo ukugcina makadlala sekadlalela mina uthi hayi nangikwazi thina kwenzakalani ithini yonke yangithola. Yeah.
So everyone that before you wrap it up, now the last question buffet.
Yeah.
To talk about the World Cup and to talk about So you ucabanga ukuthi uGrootman who's doing this march is in danger.
He's in very big one. Without a shadow of a doubt. Ngaphandle kwamathandabuzo ngesixhosa. This guy is in danger because now we are fighting the state. You understand? You are fighting the state. And don't say state as Kulumina, other African, the 53 presidents of Africa and others from the world. Don't say they don't talk. Bayakuplan mfowethu ukuthi wena singawe kanje. Hence manje if a king yakho, the king says no to this, when you are continuing, thina ngesintu sazi ukuthi umuntu onjalo uyadingiswa endaweni. Yeah, if ubakutshikiswa ngophethe ifura and then he says Ndari, don't do this in this year. Wena mawuyenza qala bawudingiswe endaweni kuthiwa wena udelela ini umthetho wenkosi. uGrootman manje sekadisrespect inkosi and uzibiza ngenkosi on what ground? Ubeke ubani wagcotshwa ubani ngoba uKing Misuzulu simbonile upresident amnika bekhona wonke umuntu emabhida. Wena ubeke ubani? And yet this project is no sister. The empowerment yabantu besifazane is another thing in South Africa.
Yes. Yeah.
Umuntu wesifazane makalida into sifuna ukuyi-hijack asamadoda sithi ngeke sizwe ngomfazi. Because we are scared of empowerment yabantu besifazane. We always want them to bow to us. So this thing uGrootman is in danger mpethu. Kwabona ba divided. Now taxi owners naba imoto bathi imoto zethu ziyakweleza zobhadalwa ngani mawumisa umsebenzi.
And abatheba yavela because there's Masutu,
Amakhosa, Lemazulu.
Now like mpethu yabona manje kwenzakalani. And thina labantu siphila nabo Soweto. I think thina Soweto sikhuluma isiZulu sikhuluma Soweto.
Yeah, Soweto runa.
We don't entertain it.
Nalungwa Sotho lesizulu lesiphosa ukenye lesikhuwa kanako ewa.
And we have our economical places.
Yeah.
Abo bilakazi